Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Suzuki Eiger Quadrunner. This is a 400cc 4x4 quad, electric start, automatic transmission. It's got an electric power winch on the front, 2,500 pounds of winch power. It's equipped with a rear seat and luggage storage capacity, front and rear racks, just serviced, brand new battery. This bike is in excellent running condition. It's got a rear trailer hitch receptor. Come by, make your quad dreams come true for just $39.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.